Did you know that at age 50, Confucius declared himself a complete failure? Born into poverty in ancient China, his father died when he was just 3 years old. His mother struggled to feed him, working endless hours just to survive. As a young man, he dreamed of becoming a government official who could change the world, but every ruler rejected his ideas about justice and virtue. For 14 long years, he wandered from kingdom to kingdom, teaching anyone who would listen. Most people called him a fool with impossible dreams. Each rejection cut deeper, but something unexpected happened. Every failure taught him more about human nature than any success ever could. The pain of being ignored showed him true compassion. Then it hit him. His real purpose wasn't ruling kingdoms, it was shaping minds. Those students he taught while wandering, they changed everything. 2,500 years later, his wisdom still guides millions. Sometimes our greatest failures become humanity's greatest gifts.